Dear students, welcome to my online class. This is Masum Billah, Assistant English Teacher of Nenguda Hart School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Dear students, I am going to take a class of class 8 English and subject code is 107, and I will take more than 20 minutes here. At first, I will show you some pictures. What do you see in the picture? Yes, I am going to show you another picture. Now I am asking you, what do you see in the picture and what is it called? Dear learners, I will show you other pictures too. You can see here some women are sewing a cloth. Yeah, it is a nice picture. Oh yes, I am showing you another picture also. Dear learners, now tell me, have you seen it before? And if you have seen it, where have you seen it? And tell me also, what do you do with it? Yeah, it is a very nice nice thing. So it is time for lesson declaration. Dear students, you have got the point. Today I am going to teach you about Nokshikatha, and it is in unit 1, lesson 2 and page number 3. So the learning outcomes of this topic, you will read and understand the text at first and understand the vocabulary. The vocabularies are quilt, artistic, commercially, traditional, pattern. Next we will get some multiple choice questions and ask and answer questions, and next we will get fill in the blanks, and at last we will get write a short paragraph. It is your homework. Okay, dear students. Now it is time for vocabulary session. The first vocabulary is quilt. Yeah, I am showing you a picture of quilt. So you have understood what is the meaning of quilt. Yeah, a bed covering consisting of two of fabric stitched together. Next vocabulary is artistic. I will show you a picture now. Yeah, you can see a Nokshikatha here, and it is artistic designed there. So the meaning of artistic is having or revealing, creating style. Our next vocabulary is commercially. It is an adverb. Okay, I am showing you a picture for understanding the meaning. A woman is using a bag. It is not kind of advertisement. Okay, so the meaning of commercial is an advertisement in a common media format. Now another vocabulary, pattern. I am showing you a picture. You can see in this picture it is one kind of artistic design. So the meaning of pattern is decorative arrangement. Dear students, now traditional. Yeah, it is a traditional Nokshikatha. So the meaning of traditional is attached to old custom. Dear learners, now make a sentence with quilt. Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Yeah, these two pictures are very nice. I think you are enjoying the class. Okay, I am showing you a picture of a person. Can you imagine who is he? Can you imagine? He is Jasimuddin. Okay, he is called Polli Kavi, and his famous writing is Nokshikathar Mat. The name Nokshikatha became famous after the poet Jasimuddin's poem Nokshikathar Mat was published in 1929. Learners, I am showing you a picture again for realizing you this matter. Traditional kathas are made for family use. Old or new cloth and thread are used to make this quilt. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogora and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. We find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs. Now read the text individually and complete the sentence with clues given below. Dear learners, there are some clues here. The clues are Bengali, pattern, embroidery, design, fashion, art, rural, designs, quilt, naksha. And now I am giving you 6 items. So first item is naksha means artistic. What? Naksha means artistic design. Yeah. Now question number 2. The name was taken from a dash word. Okay. Bengali word. Naksha. Number 3. Question number 3. The art has been practiced in dash Bengal. Absolutely rural Bengal. Question number 4. Nakshi Kathas are now sold in dash shops. Which shops? What is the correct answer? Fashion shops. Now question number 5. Nakshi Kathas are a kind of dash. What? Quilt. Question number 6. Nakshi Kathas are in great demand because of their colorful dash and dash. Colorful patterns and designs. Dear learners, you have understood very nicely, and I am going to the next part. To make a Nakshi Katha, what do we need? Okay, at first we need a needle. Yeah, you can see in this picture it is a needle. Next we need thread. Okay, it is colorful. There are many colorful threads here. Next we need a piece of cloth. It may be new or old. These 3 things are highly essential for making a Nakshi Katha. Okay, now I will describe the process of making Nakshi Katha. Step 1. Just take a piece of cloth, old or new you can take. Step 2. Sew one there with a needle. Step 3. Design on the cloth. Step 4. Again design there. Step 5. If it is a very big Nakshi Katha, then you can hire other women too. Step 6. At last you will get a nice Nakshi Katha. So I am giving you a sudden work. Okay, I am asking you again, who is he? I think you have remembered the name of this person. Okay, now I am showing you other 3 pictures. Okay, tell what is happening in picture 1, 2 and 3. Now dear students, in question number 1 you are given 7 multiple choice questions, and the first question is, okay, but question number 1 I should read. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your answer script. So from the heading of this question we have understood that you will be given a question and the answer of these questions will be in the following 4 answers, but from these 4 answers you must select the best one. So the first one is, the word Nakshi Katha has been derived from the word. From which word? English word, Hindi word, Bengali word or Persian word? Absolutely, Nakshi Katha has been taken from Bengali word. Okay, question number 2. The word expensive means cheap, no. Low cost, no. Costly, yes. Expensive is the synonym of costly, not economical. Question number 3 now. The art of Nakshi Katha is most famous in their districts in Bangladesh. So 4 districts, 5 districts, 6 districts, 7 districts? Absolutely 6 districts. Dear student, question number 4. The word century indicates 50 years, 75 years, 100 years, 1000 years. So the correct answer is 100 years. The closest meaning of the word demand is price, need, popularity, tradition. Demand. Okay, the meaning of demand is need. Dear students, question number 6. Nakshi Katha is especially related with tribal people, ethnic people, urban people, rural people. Yeah, Nakshi Katha is absolutely related with rural people. Now the last question. And the question is, Nakshikatha became popular after the dash of Joshimuddin's famous poem Nakshikathar Mat. So after the published publication or publisher, absolutely we should use here a noun. So the noun here is publication. So the correct answer is publication. Dear students, now we will go to question number 2. Now you will get a heading, answer the following questions from your reading of the above text, and you will get 4 questions and it will bear 8 marks. So the first question is, what is Nakshikatha? Now answer, what is Nakshikatha? So from the passage we have understood that Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidery quilt or embroidered quilt. So now go to the question number B. How many districts are famous for producing Nakshikatha and what are they? So the first question here in B, first part, that how many districts are famous for producing Nakshikatha. So here you will tell the name or number of districts. There are 6 districts indicated in the text. So the answer will be 6 districts are famous for producing Nakshikatha. And next question is, what are they? Now tell, what are they? The famous districts are Maimansingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Boguda and Jashore, also Faridpur. Okay, question number C. Which things are essential to make a Nakshikatha? So which things are essential? Dear students, how many things are essential? So in the pictures I showed you that 3 things are essential. So now the answer we will tell that 3 things are highly essential to make a Nakshikatha, and the 3 things are needle, old or new cloth and thread. Now D, question number D, and this is the last question. The quilts are now in great demand. Why? Dear students, the quilts are now in great demand because the quilts are sold in city shops and it is being produced commercially. So the demand of this Nakshikatha is increasing day by day. Dear learners, you have got the point. Now dear students, I will give you a homework, and our today's homework is, you will try your best to write a short paragraph on Nakshikatha, and it will be your own imagination. Dear students, comment on my class and share with your friends. If you have any English related question, you can